700. Exercise number 18. Ready. This is the story which my friend sometimes tells on a long summer evening as we sit together by the open window, finding pleasure in the sweet clear air after the still heat of the day. First up, in those days I was an even better walker than I am today, and as you know, I still very much like a good quick walk. First up, well, on that particular August morning I set out quite early before the day was too warm for easy walking. First up, I carried with me enough food to meet my small needs and was therefore able to keep away from towns of any kind. First up, I was healthy in the way that the young are healthy, and I walked with quick, easy steps, covering the first 8 miles of the road in just under 2 hours. First up, but with the increasing warmth of the day, my rate fell little by little until in the full heat of the day I found that I was doing very little more than 2.5 miles an hour. First up, even the small additional weight of the food I was carrying troubled me, and as it was by this time several hours since my last meal, it seemed reasonable that I should look out for a place where I could rest and have a meal in peace. First up, after a time I reached a point where the road comes very near to a small river, and I was pleased enough by that time to walk across the field and to find near the water some undergrowth high enough to offer me some cover from the full light and heat of the open countryside round about. First up, I took water from the clear, quick running river and built a small fire upon some stones, and so made my simple meal. First up, such was the heat of the day that it was as much as I could do to keep my eyes open, but using all my will power I was about to clear away the rest of the food when I saw standing before me a little old woman. First up,